IndiGo flight makes emergency landing after Mayday call in Bengaluru. An IndiGo flight from Guwahati to Chennai faced a serious emergency during its journey. The captain issued a Mayday call due to insufficient fuel mid-flight, causing alarm. With 168 passengers on board, the flight diverted to Bengaluru's Kempegowda International Airport. This incident follows a tragic Air India plane crash in Ahmedabad, raising safety concerns. Authorities are investigating the circumstances surrounding this emergency landing for further insights. Stay informed and subscribe for more updates on aviation news.